Have you ever been in a situation where you're driving down fine on your Tesla and all of a sudden your Tesla starts yelling at you, letting you know that your PSI drop on one of your tires is significant. It goes from anywhere from 40 PSI all the way down to 10, 20, and you see that screen go down very rapidly. You know that you have a flat, you gotta pull over, and that ruins your day. That's a scary situation, and I have had some friends recently go through that situation where it just came out of nowhere. And knowing Teslas, we don't just carry spare tires, which I'll talk about later in the video of there is some options where you can have a spare tire. Then at that situation, you gotta call Tesla Service Center, the mobile ranger will come. But my friend recently went through that experience down in Washington, DC, and it took them 2 hours for the mobile ranger to get to the site, and it was in a scary situation. So if you are ever in that situation and you wish for a product that could get you quickly up and running and get to the nearest tire repair center, or if you have never been in that situation and you're looking for a solution that could help you save the day in those situations, I might have a perfect product for you. This is the tire sealant from T Sportline, and this product is super nice because you can just keep this on your car at all time. Whenever you have a flat, this can protect up to 1/4 inch flat, so a typical nail, any type of flat, and this is 12 ounce, so it has more than enough to repair your tire. How this works is that it has got a sealant on this bottle here. It is a sealed tube, and what you do is you use a tire inflator to connect to this sealant bottle, and then you apply the sealant directly to the tire. So let's talk more about this product. Before we do that, this is the first time we have worked with T Sportline. T Sportline is one of the largest Tesla accessory company in the world. They carry anywhere from smaller products like this to super large product where it can totally change the performance and look of your Tesla. They also carry tires, wheels, amazing accessories, amazing products that they carry on their website, and we have a special discount code Shiba Tesla. If you use that during checkout, you can save significant amount of money. Let's get started. So this is what the product looks like right here. It's the 1AV T-Max tire sealant, and it is approved to use on EV tires. So even if you have a foam, that means the OEM tires, or if you have an aftermarket tire, this is good to go. It works for the tire sensor or TPMS safe for any type of Tesla tires or the aftermarket tires that you bought from T Sportline. And this is, as I said, this is a really nice tube here. There's a QR code that you can use to get the product information, and then this just has this tube that goes into your tire valve here. So this is, you just unwind it, and then you just plug this into the tire and the valve. And then there is this end over here where if you remove this, this is where we are going to be using this product. This is the portable tire inflator from T Sportline to connect to here. Then this portable inflator will push air through here, and then this whole sealant will be included on this tube here that goes through your valve, and then it enters your tire and it protects your tires. Just to be clear, you do not have to use this exact tire inflator, but they do sell this portable one, which is one of the nicest one that we have seen in the market for the tire inflator. But you can use any tire inflator to put this through here, and then all that sealant will pass to your tires. Now let's do a quick unboxing of this so I can show you what this packaging includes for the portable tire inflator. This comes in a really nice packaging. It gives you the instructions manual, what everything is at here. And then this is a very small tire inflator. This is not bulky at all. And as I said, this is portable. So it has got a rechargeable battery, 27,500 milliamp hour battery. So it should let you fill your tires from 0 to the full, whatever, 40 some PSI for all 4 tires per charge. And you don't have to have full charge at the same time because you're likely not going to be filling your tires all the way through on all 4 tires every single time. We're gonna check this out, do some testing here. They also send you this really nice carrying bag that you can just put this and carry it around. And then they also send you the accessory. So this is for the ball, this is for the other adapter for smaller bikes and things that we have used in the past, and then this is just the main adapter. So how this works is you have got a charging here, USB-C charging. So all you have to do is charge that right here, and then you connect this end here, and then that's it. That's it. Now we are good to go. Let's remove this plastic here. To turn on this inflator here, just press and hold on to this power button for a couple of seconds, and then you see that the battery is green. That means it has a full charge here. If it is flashing red, that means you gotta charge it. It has less than 5% remaining. This is the current pressure because this is not hooked up to anything. If you hook this up to your tires, you're gonna see the current tire pressure of your tire. This is the car. Now, if you wanna change between different modes, so the car mode goes from 0 to 63 PSI. You can also change it to the bike mode. You can also do the bicycle mode, and then you can do the ball mode, and they have different settings, how much the pressure will go. So you have that safety built into each of this here. Then if you press on this LED light right here, that's when you can change from bar to PSI. So you can do PSI, so that's 0 PSI. You can also change different. So bar, there's kPa, there's kilogram per centimeter square, and then PSI, that's the one that I'm gonna be putting this in. And now it is set to 36. Now we can change this, so we can do whatever the Tesla's PSI rating is. We just have to look at the wheel, and then let's say it is 42. Then to start putting the air, you just have to press this once, and you're done. Now you also have a LED light here for nighttime. So if you are in a garage and you don't have any lights and you want to put the inflator and then to fill up your air, then you can just press and hold on this LED here, and then this LED will light up. So as you see, this is super handy, especially because if you are on the highway or side of the road and you got to pull over to put more air, this comes in really handy that it has that LED. Another thing is that on top of this USB-C input that you can charge, you also have a USB-A output. So you can use this USB-A to charge anything from here. So you can charge your phone as a backup. So this acts as a portable battery as well. Now, thankfully, we're not in a situation where we have a flat, but I want to show you in case you do have a flat and how to use this product. First of all, you would remove this valve cap from your tire. Then you would hook this up to your valve cap. So you just put that in there. Then once you have that secured there, you would remove this from here. This is the back cap of this sealant unit. Then you would hook up your tire inflator like this one, and then you would just hook up the tire inflator right here in that sealant cap here. Then once you are good to go, now this is connected here. This is when you turn on your tire inflator and then inflate the air, put the air through here, then the sealant will be filled on your tire. So it is super easy. As you can see, with a portable inflator like this, you don't have to connect it to the 12 volt. If you have a Model 3, you gotta connect the 12 volt in the front, in the center console. You have to leave the door open. You don't have to do none of that, especially if you are on the side of the highway. And if you have a Model Y, you gotta leave your trunk open to be able to access that 12 volt outlet here. So you don't have to do any of that. You just charge this, leave it in your car for especially when you absolutely need it. Now, to use this portable tire inflator, it's the exact same thing. You press and hold on this power button for a little bit, and then you'll see that we gotta change this to a car. So it is in the car. We gotta change this unit to PSI, and it's at 36 right now. So we're going to increase that to, let's say, 42. Then what we do is make sure that this is secured here. We just plug this in to the valve here, and you'll hear that, just make it super tight, and you see that it gives you the live pressure of the tire. So we got 41 right now. We want to take this to 42, and we'll watch if it stops or not. And all you have to do is press this power button once, and it goes. And it stops on its own. So it reads 42. I have to say that this is not going to be as fast as like the gas station one where you go rapidly, but it does the job. As you saw that it just took one from 41 to 42 here. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this could be really, really hot. So especially if you went from, let's say, 20 to 42 here, this is going to get really hot. So wait to touch this one. Just remove this valve cap from here. This whole part is going to get really hot. And of course, don't remove this because then you're gonna leak all that air out. Remove just this one from the valve here, and then we are good to go. This is super easy, and then we can put the valve cap back on. Now, here's an example of a time when it might be dark. It's not completely dark here, but this is where this LED comes in super handy, where you press and hold, and you can easily access your valve here because you have this light. You can also use this as a flashlight, SOS light. So this is super nice that it comes with this LED here as well. So both of these products are super useful. I'm definitely going to be using this tire inflator a lot because this does not require any cabling, anything. I just charge it, leave this on the bottom sub trunk area of my Model Y. Probably gonna get one for Model 3 as well, just in case. I also really like that it comes with a digital screen and it is very accurate. As soon as it hits that pressure limit that you have put, it stops. So this tire inflator is really nice, portable, super lightweight, handy, and extremely useful. I also like that it comes with a USB-A output so that we can charge our phones on the go. And one of the big things is that it comes with a LED light because I used to have a tire inflator, I still do, which does not have a light at night, so I do have to turn it on. And I may not have that luxury of having a light at night other than using my phone, so having this LED is just super handy for that purpose as well. Now, this tire sealant is one of those products that you may never use it, but you'll be glad that you had it when you absolutely need it, because this allows you just that enough time where you can put this into the tire and then go to the nearest tire service. They say that do it within the next couple of days after you use this tire sealant. Don't let it go too long, because it's not going to be exactly like a tire patching that you get from a tire shop. This is just a temporary solution until you get it fixed. And then they also say do not cross 100 miles with this after you put it in. You may be familiar with a product called Slime. You probably used it on your bikes, maybe in your car. This does the exact same thing, but this has been proven to work on EV tires, especially with those foam tires, OEM tires. This worked really great, and this is TPMS safe because sometimes the tire sealant, like the Slime, may not work exactly well for an EV, but they tested this on an EV and it works. Of course, I can't independently test this. If I ever run into a flat, I'll let you know how it goes and I'll share my experience. I hope I never have to use this product, but I'm glad that I have it. I'm gonna keep this on my Model Y and a Model 3. Overall, these are very great products. As I said, maybe not something that you would need this product on a regular basis, and I hope you don't have to use this product, but when you do, this might come in handy. Tire inflator, I highly recommend it. Portable tire inflator, I think this is gonna be a great product for all Tesla users. So what do you all think about this product? Would you get it for your Tesla? Do you think there's value on it? Do you use other products that do the same thing? Do you have a different tire inflator and are you happy with it? Or would you consider getting a portable one like this? Please let me know in the comment section below. I also really want to know if you have purchased things from T Sportline in the past. As I said, this is the first time I'm working with them, but we are gonna be reviewing some of the other products on their website, including some winter tires here, some spare tires. That is another option that you have, that if you just wanna carry a spare at all time, you can have that, or leave it in your garage so that in case there is a flat, you can just swap it out to the spare. They do carry a large inventory of those. They carry OEM type of tires where there is foams. They also carry wheels where you can get Uber turbine wheels for your Tesla. We're gonna be upgrading our 18-inch aero wheels on a Model 3 to 20-inch Uber turbine wheels with a winter tire that just launched specifically for Tesla. So a lot of products are coming through T Sportline in the future. Please let me know any feedback that you might have. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. All of those are linked over here as well as in the description below. I'll be back again with another Tesla accessory.